of the Baron-Fortness Edinboro Library, Edinboro University, and Edinboro, PA.
Featured in St. Coaster Junkie.
Going up.
Oh, it's Hawks.
Oh yeah, I'm here. This is the last elevator he needs.
Yep. I'm doing this in my ultra-wide camera angle.
Come on, Lamar Jackson, deep ball. And poo.
Seventh floor.
All right, go. All right.
7th floor.
And Baltimore just scored a touchdown. Cool.
Let's get a cat view. This elevator was replaced.
This used to be an Otis Lexan when it opened in like 1972 or 3. They were just modernized and it's now open for students.
Which is
3
awesome.
years in the making for this renovation.
First floor.
Fun fact, this is where I study every day, so.
After you.
Going up. Going up.
Bam.
And that is it. And you have officially gotten every elevator here at Penn West Edinboro.